Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a new web browser source for a video wall. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to click New Source, and then you're going to want to scroll down to Web Browser, and then you're going to want to enter a name, so we'll just call it Userful, and then you're going to want to select the browser. In this instance, we're going to pick Chrome Kiosk because Chrome Kiosk actually just shows the entire content, and there's no search bar or anything, so it's actually just much more visually appealing. So, and then we'll have the URL in here, and retain, interchanges across sessions just means save information. So if you log into a specific web page, this will retain the data. So click OK, and then drag your video wall down to it, click Apply, make sure it's playing, and then your content is now playing. That concludes today's video. For any additional information, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.